For any smartphone, connecting to a Wi-Fi network can never be a problem, and your Google Pixel 7 is capable of connecting to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. However, there are times when issues occur not just to your phone but also to your network device. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Pixel 7 that can't connect to Wi-Fi networks. But before we move on, please like and share our videos so we can help other users who might have issues with their device. Now going back to our topic, here's how it's done. First solution, reboot your network device. In fixing Wi-Fi issues that occurred without apparent reason or cause, the first thing you need to do is to restart your modem or router if possible. That is if you're having an issue with your home network. However, if you're just using a public Wi-Fi, then there's no point in doing this procedure as you surely won't have access to the network device. So go straight to the next solution. But assuming that you're trying to troubleshoot your own network, then what you have to do is this. Unplug the power cord of your router from the wall outlet or from the main unit itself. Leave it without power for a minute or two. After that, plug the power cord back in and then wait until your network device starts to broadcast the signal. Have your Pixel 7 reconnect to the network to see if the problem is fixed by simply doing that. If not, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, restart your phone. After restarting the network device and your Pixel 7 is still not able to connect to the network, then the problem is probably with it. What you have to do next is to restart the device, which reloads all its core services. So swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the notification panel. Swipe down again from the notification panel to pull down the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon and select restart. Now wait until your device finishes the reboot. Once the restart is done, let it reconnect to the network you're having issues with. In most cases, this should be enough to fix the problem. However, if it's still not able to do so, then move on to the next procedure. Third solution, disable Wi-Fi for a few seconds. There are times when all you need to do to fix a problem is by disabling the service for a few seconds. In the case of Wi-Fi, your phone will actually try to reconnect automatically once the Wi-Fi service becomes active again. So swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again to re-enable it. Allow your device to reconnect to the network. If this doesn't fix the problem either, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, delete the current connection and reconnect to it. This procedure is only applicable if your Pixel 7 has already connected with the network before. There are times when the connection settings can be corrupted, and so what you need to do next is to delete the current connection and have your device reconnect to it manually. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down. Tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon until you're brought to its settings page. Look for the network you're having problems with and tap the gear icon to the right. On the next screen, tap Forget. Doing so will immediately delete the selected network and bring you back to the previous page. Look for the network again, tap on it and then enter the password to reconnect. This procedure is one of the most effective methods in fixing a problem like this. However, if your device is still not able to connect to the network, then you should do the next solution. Fifth solution, reset all the wireless services. After doing the previous solutions and your Pixel 7 is still not able to connect to the network you're having issues with, then what you need to do next is to reset the wireless services of your phone. Doing so will reload all the network services in your device, and that should be enough to fix a problem like this. Here's how you do it. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down again to find Reset options, and once found, tap on it. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. On the next screen, you may read the information on the screen about the procedure. Once ready, tap Reset Settings. You will then be prompted to enter your security lock, so try doing that. After entering your security lock, tap Reset Settings. It will take just a few seconds and the reset will be complete. After this procedure, have your phone reconnect to the network, and that should do it. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.